Morning, everybody. This is Finance, Fitness, and Folk, a channel where we talk about finance, a little bit about fitness, and talk about some folk. So today, we're gonna go over how to start a business to increase your income. How to start a business in order to increase your income. Y'all forgive me, I just finished working out and didn't get too much sleep last night. Got about roughly 3 hours of sleep and I had to get my back up, do some things, but you know, no pain, no gain. Always keep it pushing, you know. But I'm gonna give you 3 things that you need to do in order to create a business, in order to increase your income. Number 1, start an LLC. LLC stands for Limited Liability Company. So creating an LLC is pretty much creating a entity for your company. So you can be what's called a sole proprietor, to where, like, let's say for instance you become a shoe seller and you know you start selling on eBay, StockX, all those things, and then you receive a 1099 later on that year for you to file taxes. So basically you can pretty much say that, you know, that was my personal business and I had to pay tax on the money that I made. So, but you didn't create an LLC. You didn't create another entity for yourself, so you consider a sole proprietor. You can do that, but in order to create a business to increase your income, start an LLC. Number 2, get an EIN number. EIN stands for Employer Identification Number. So basically what that is it's a social security number for your LLC. You see where I'm going at, right? You're creating another entity of yourself. Foreigners, when they come over here to create businesses, they don't come over here with social security numbers. They come over here and have to create an EIN. So that's number 2. Number 3, get a business bank account. So you want to make sure that you separate your finances from your personal. In other words, once you create this LLC and this EIN number for your LLC, any money that you generate from the LLC, you want to put it in a bank account that is separate from your own finances, because it protects your own personal finances in case you get sued. And believe me, if you decide to create an LLC, create a business, and it scales to the point where, you know, you start making a lot of money, you're starting to have your name generate you know, buzz around the city or even the country, trust me, you're going to get sued. But we can get into that in another video, as far as like having insurance and all those things. So once again, create an LLC. That's number 1. Limited Liability Company. Create an EIN number, or get an EIN number, Employee Identification Number, and receive a business bank account, so you can actually have your finances separate, your business finances separate from your personal finances. So anyways, I'll get more in depth in those aspects of creating a business in other videos. I just wanted to put that out there for you guys right now, because we need to make this money, y'all. And the only way you're gonna be able to make this money is to create a business and start generating income for yourself. You cannot generate wealth by working for somebody else. When you go to your job every single day, whether it be a 9-to-5, part-time job, doesn't matter. What you're doing is that you're helping somebody else's dream. Somebody had a dream or a goal to create that particular company or business, and when you go to work for them, you're supporting their dream. Don't you want to support your own dream? Now, I'm not saying that working a 9-to-5 is bad, because we have to have workers in the world. That's the way the world works. And there's a lot of folks that generate a lot of money working a 9-to-5, working on certain fields. So I'm not knocking anybody that has a 9-to-5. I'm not knocking anybody that actually that works for somebody, because I mean, that's just the way of the world. It has to go that way. But what I am saying is if you want to generate generational wealth, and you want to be able to to have something that's going to last for a lifetime or even last past your own life. Working a 9 to 5 is not going to do it. It just isn't. You can have a job where, you know, you have an insurance policy that's like $1 million, but at the end of the day, you don't have somewhat of a legacy you can pass on to your family, and that's what creating a business can do for you. All right, so I'm not gonna hold y'all up. Hope everybody has a blessed day today, and I'll be here all day. All right, Finance, Fitness, and Folk, Triple L's. I'm out.